Hey, how you doing everyone? Sorry for 1 week delay. So today we're gonna learn how we can use our hands to speed up and pick up our board. Let's do it. To pick up your board, first you have to place your back foot in the end of a tail and now gently press down. Practice and you can bend your back a bit to make it more easy to pick up the board. Practice popping your board until you will master it. Hold your board with a grip tape outside so you will not destroy your clothes. Okay, we have a board in our hand. Now we're gonna learn how to speed up. Start walking and place your left foot on the board covering two first bolts. And now when you're ready, release the board and gently push. Same goes for Goofy, but now we're gonna place our right foot covering the two first bolts, release the board and push. Start slowly until you will feel comfortable and after try to do the trick faster so it will look more smooth and more stylish. So now we know how to use our hands, how to pick up the board and how to speed up. I hope you enjoyed it. This week is International Skateboarding Day, 21st of June, so I wish you happy skateboarding. Go out there, try, practice and have fun. See you next weekend. Bye!